morning they have the dog walk where they just basically all go mob-handed round the site and up to Malta. Sorry, sweetheart, did you feel that?
You're a little bit more of a wuss than Jodie.
Yeah, Jodie's probably used to being beaten up all the time by your brother and sister. A little needle is nothing. There we go, sweetie. Oops. Right. Okay, sweetheart. Okay, sweetheart. Good girlie. Coming already. You're not particularly worried about her, apart from the fact that she's got quite a bit of white, is it?
No.
She's fine this way around. I'm just going to start it again though, because it's actually swinging around now. It's flattening. It was a bit of a wonky baseline, but it was resolving itself.